Point of order, excuse me, Mr. Chairman. I have to unfortunately raise a point of order. Pursuant to Rule 11B of our House rules, I'm an ex officio member of this House committee. I've been asked to be recognized, and you haven't recognized me. I'd like to contribute to the discussion, the important discussion that we're having here today.
Okay, Leader Filippi, you are an ex officio member of the House Finance Committee. That is true. But this is a joint committee that's been appointed by the Speaker and the Senate President. And as such, clearly we had on the announcement that we weren't taking any public testimony. And because both the Speaker and the President appointed people to do that, I'm going to overrule your point of order.
Briefly, Chairman.
Okay.
The Speaker stated that this committee is exercising the General Assembly's constitutional oversight function. The only way that that oversight function can be exercised is pursuant to our House rules. Our House rules don't allow task force. They only allow the Speaker to create a committee. This is a committee of the House meeting with a committee of the Senate. Pursuant to Rule 11B, I'm ex officio on this House committee.
I understand, but here's what I'm not going to do. In the middle of the duly appointed task force, and I understand what you want to do, but in the middle of that, if you want to raise that to another level other than a point of order, that's your choice. But I'm just saying, as one of two chairs, it's not just me. I understand that. But as one of two chairs, I'm overruling that at this point so that we can continue with this. Not that your contributions aren't needed or not that they would not be good, but I'm just sticking with what we've been appointed to do right now.
I appreciate this, Chairman. I think we should follow our rules and the law, and I think it's unfortunate that we're not, but I appreciate the questions and carry on.
Thank you very much. We appreciate your